Hi guys, we're the FS Code. So if you're new to our channel, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Yeah. So today, guys, we're gonna show you how to grow your account. So stay tuned. So yeah, guys, this is our first pair, Euro GBP. We did our analysis and we're looking for a sell in place. Similarly with another pair we have here, which is Euro NZD, we're looking to sell whenever it gives us our first spike down. And lastly, we have our last pair, which is Euro OD. Like you've seen, we're actually analyzing our Euro pairs, and that's how we're planning to enter them. Yeah, guys, so from our analysis, we saw that we are planning to have a bigger spike down. We waited for our entry. So we have seen confirmation by a bigger spike in the 50 minutes chart. So we're expecting a bigger spike in the hour to daily chart. Hence, we're now waiting. We enter and we wait. So that's what trading is all about. So this is now we're in the trades, guys. They're spiking down. We started from account from 3K. Had a fair share of losses and profits, but our profits must always be more than our wins. Hence, we're gonna let this profits run, and that's how we plan to grow it. So yeah, guys, it looks like it's spiked down as we've predicted, and that's what Just Forex is, guys. Forex is basically understanding possibility. You analyze and you plan your trades, right? It's not about being certain, but understanding that the market can go against you as you need to prepare. So now we're preparing for this, and this is the results we were expecting. Hence, we are closing, because what we want to do is we want to make sure we book our profits by making sure that our profits are always more than our losses. And that's how we grow this account, guys. Possibly you can learn a thing or two from our trades. And thanks for tuning in. I appreciate it a lot.
Yeah guys, hopefully you picked up a thing or two from the video you just saw. So now for further explanation.
Yeah, guys, so what we worked on, guys, we want to show you how to grow your account ultimately. Like, you can have your account, you can have losses, but long term it always grows. I've met a lot of traders who are more skilled than I am.
Never trade without having a stop loss.
Yeah, their biggest problem is they don't know how to handle their losses. Like, you need to cut a loss. It's okay, because if you don't cut it, you're going to ultimately blow. So what I'll show you guys is this chart here that I worked on myself. So what it means is you can start an account with 3,000, grow it, take a loss, grow, take a loss, and grow. So that's ultimately how a profitable chart will look like.
Normal account.
Yeah. Trading Forex is understanding that, you won't always be certain.
You win some, you lose some, but overall you win.
Yeah, so it's basically understanding probability, right? So what a lot of people do is they have a different chart. Their chart will look like this, right? So a person will have an initial deposit of 3,000, grow the account, take a loss, grow an account, take a loss, and feel like the account is too big, you'll handle the loss and have no stop loss in place. So that loss will ultimately grow the account.
Exactly, guys. This is like this. If you have a bad foundation, no matter how much you've built, that will break.
Yeah.
Exactly.
So that's the biggest thing I want to emphasize, guys. Risk management.
Exactly.
A lot of people, they have mastered how to trade, but they still don't know how to handle their losses. Like you've seen on my previous video, there was a week where I've had some losses, but I still had to cut them. In fact, there was a point like, I don't feel like cutting this loss, but I cut it. When I came back the next day, it was even worse. I'm like, yo, I'm lucky I closed a loss. Out of blown my 3K. So that is the most important tip I want to share with you guys.
Yeah.
Appreciate those who tuned in, and yeah, man, love the support.
Yeah.
Once again,
spread and share the name.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.